How do you find great product ideas to sell on Amazon here in Australia? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a very, very simple strategy and a really great product category too to help you find all the products that you would need to sell on Amazon here in Australia. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you figure out what to sell on Amazon, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer it personally for you.
And some people who are from overseas have talked about potentially syndicating or how they can organise themselves to be able to invest.
Yeah.
Have you seen those options?
So we would need people to sign up as an individual. We couldn't do sort of syndicated investments. The minimum from overseas, just for everyone's reference, is 5K. We've just capped it at 5K just because it involves a lot of paperwork on our side, and that's the sort of minimum it would make it viable. It's 250K for Australian retail investors, 5K for anyone outside of Australia, to be clear.
Including New Zealand as well, Jack?
Including New Zealand, yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah, that's the Aussie regulation.
Yeah. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us here in Australia from all different walks of life with sales on Amazon of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and see how we can help you, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and you'll find out just how much we can help you grow your Amazon business. Till then, see you on the inside. Bye.